I just went to get myself some candy. But look at that. Look at that, so many flowers. Look at that. And look at those purple ones. I don't know if you can see them. Wow. So many flowers. Sadly, that means that the rainy season is over. Bingo. Yeah, look at that gorgeous flower. There are flowers everywhere. Just after the rainy season, flowers start to... Yeah, look inside there, there's a little critter. They're having some nectar fun. Yeah, so after the rainy season, the flowers start to flower up, just so they can spread their seeds before the dry season really kicks in. Okay, this is an interesting one. It's as you can see, it's pretty tall, and I'm almost certain that this is a species from the genus Porophyllum. Here in Mexico we call them Papalo or Calites. They're edible, but this one is strange because usually Porophyllum plants have these really marked glands in the leaves that have a lot of aromatic compounds, really pungent, but this one doesn't have them. This one doesn't have them. Yet, when you crush the leaves and smell them, wow, they are potent. They are very pungent. Like, I don't know. They taste really, really strong. The flavor is good, but not as good as the Porophyllum plants, the Papalo that we used to eat here. This one is kinda mild, I don't know, but yeah, this type of flower is characteristic of the Porophyllum genus from the family Asteraceae. Pretty nice. But oh my god, this is annoying. I hate you so much. I really hate you with all my might. Achirantes aspera. Yeah, this bastard. Uh, this is the inflorescence. It grows in a spike, and these are the let me focus. Yeah, this is an inflorescence. This plant is from the family Amarantaceae, and here on top we can see the flowers, but here on the bottom the fruit is already developed, and I hate this plant because, oh my god, I can't focus. Come on. Okay, yeah, these fruits, they have like these little spines that when they get you, they hurt so much. I don't know if you can hear how it grabs into my skin. Ow. Yeah, and look how they are disposed. They are disposed, the spines are disposed uh, facing down. So when you pass through here, let's say like this, all the spines get into your skin. So I hate them, and they are everywhere. So every time I want to pass through here, man, I got thorns all in my legs. So what I'm going to do, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them all, but I'm not just going to cut them. I'm going to unroot them. I don't want these bastards near my sons. Yeah, take that. That's what you deserve for being so mean. Yeah, this is my water recollection system, rainwater. Yes, I'm going to go ahead and unroot all these bastards. Freaking bastards, I hate you so much. Yeah, and the idea with my garden was to, since now I have kids, I want them to run, to use the garden, to play football, to play ball, to make holes, to look for treasures and stuff like that. And that's why I bought the electric string trimmer. Say hello to my little friend. To have some grass here. I have a really nice grass, which is Cynodon dactylon, and it's also called Bermuda grass, and it's the grass that is used in the golf courses. So, oh look, the bird. Oh, he's gone. Anyway, yeah, I have this really nice grass that I want to. It grows on its own. I just need to select it. But yeah, the idea was to have just grass for my kids. But then I had quite a lot of work, and I just couldn't mow the lawn in a couple of. It just took 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks to get like this. So yeah, I guess that will be for the next year, because yeah, this is too much to grow grass, and the rainy season is over. Actually, I was saying that when at night it rained quite a lot. It rained super heavily. But yeah, anyways, so what I'm going to do is to remove all these bastards from my garden. I hate them. My kids can't go outside because they got all the seeds on their legs, their tiny legs and arms. Oh my, but there are a lot. Look at that. All that is Achirantes aspera, devil's horsewhip. And don't get me wrong, it's a nice plant. It has a lot of medicinal properties. It's good for your health. But man, when you have kids and when you like gardening, these guys just get in the way. Oh no, yeah, I remember. I was telling you that this year I wanted to have grass. However, that was not possible. But I do rather prefer to have all this biodiversity in my house. You can hear the buzzing of the bees, the birds. You just saw that bird there. We have squirrels, we have opossums, we have some little mammals that here we call cacomixtles, rats, obviously, lizards, birds. We have everything. We have everything, and this is what I want to have. Just a tiny jungle in my house. And ever since I came to live in this property, I told myself that this property was going to be like a small oasis in the middle of the city. And that's why I want to have it like that, with all the plants over. Look at that, there is also, again, Achiranthes aspera. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. Here we have more. Yeah, I'm going to unwrap them. But yeah, I wanted to have it like this, with all these plants, to increase the biodiversity and to be like a small oasis where plants and animals can reproduce, can thrive in the middle of the city. But now with kids, they want to play. They want to get out and dig holes and stuff. So yeah, probably for the next couple of years, maybe 5 years, I will try to have some grass for them to play. And the plants, well, there are also a lot of plants outside. But yeah, I'm going to remove all these bastards from the root. But yeah, the problem is that they have these very prominent elbows. You know, let me show you the elbows on these plants. Some nodes are okay. Yeah, here. Some nodes are all twisted and in an angle like that, so they break really easily from the node. So you need to grab them from the really bottom to really uproot this devil horsewhip. And they also reproduce by they send shoots underground that sprout in the surroundings. So yeah, we need to check for that also. Oh, look at this. This is also Papalo, Porophyllum, and you can see the very prominent glands in here, the leaves. Okay, those glands have the aromatic compounds in it. Yeah, and these things are really tasty. I love them. It's not these pink flowers. This is another plant. This is a Porophyllum. This one. But look how pretty these ones are. And these ones here, these tiny ones. Check this out. Look at that. Yeah, lots of flowers. And I also like a lot these ones here. You see how the leaves are variolated? I don't know if this exactly is variolation, but yeah, they have different colors on the flowers. Yeah, labiales. Anyways, unrooting all those devil's hornwhip plants will take me a while, so see you in the next one. I'm just gonna have some water right now.